other great sites like the events in Philippines. This year marks the 18th anniversary of the liberation of Hong Kong Church. The year of their future means that it is important to remember the past so well as to strive for a better future.
So what is Holocaust? The Holocaust occurred during World War II in Germany occupied areas of Europe when it actually moved. The Nazis were a group of anti-Semitic homophobic racists who were in power in Germany from 1853 to 1945. During the Holocaust, 6 million Jews were persecuted and murdered in the concentration camps by the right. While local Jews, many other groups were persecuted by the Nazis. Groups that were disabled, some saw people, and some who opposed the Nazis' ideology also occurred. Jews were separated from others for where they lived. One way the Nazis separated Jews from others in Germany was making them wear a yellow star on their arm, the Star of David. They were also stripped of their German citizenship, making them feel alien in their local homes. These were all laws the Nazis put in place as the new oppressions.
Thank you very much, girls. This morning when I was driving in, I was listening to a survivor from the concentration camps. The girls have just said more than 6 million people of Jewish descent were killed. Many of them were gassed in the gas chambers, but many of them died through neglect, disease, starvation. And these are all horrible things. But that's the end of the road, if you like. The beginning of the road starts with intolerant language, lack of respect, lack of compassion. So when you reflect on our school values about respecting others, being tolerant of difference, and treating everybody with respect and equality, people from a Jewish background were not treated with any compassion, respect, or equality. Okay, and it's important that we keep these messages alive because unfortunately it's the 80th anniversary today of the liberation of Auschwitz. That's 80 years. So the number of people who did survive just through old age are passing away. So their message needs to be kept alive for each successive generation so that we don't repeat the horrible lessons of history, which we surely will if we don't keep this message alive. This lady this morning who was about 90 odd, she lost all her family except her brother. She lost her parents, she lost her sisters to the concentration camp. She herself survived, and she couldn't explain why she survived. She said, I don't know, luck, I guess. So she's in her 90s. The reality is she's not going to be around for very much longer. That's why it's important that young people pass this message on to other young people, because these atrocities really shouldn't be repeated. But unfortunately, we can point to other examples since the Second World War where the issue of genocide has arisen. Genocide is the extermination not of an individual but of a complete race of people. And we've seen examples of that, unfortunately. So we must keep this message alive, and we must reinforce in you the importance of the values that we hold here within the school. Okay? So thank you very much for being so attentive and listening to the girls deliver their message today.
We believe in you.
We believe in you.